Modern algebra, rings and basic properties, the uniqueness of the additive inverse. Recall that in the definition of a ring, our author, Dr. Hungerford, defines that in a ring R, for any element A in R, the equation A plus x equals 0 in R has a solution x in R. Now, what we're focusing on here is Theorem 3.3, which says this: let R be a ring and let A be an element in R. The equation A plus x equals 0 in R has a unique solution. Now, we're going to prove this. However, remind yourself, how do I prove uniqueness? To prove uniqueness, you assume you have two elements, and then you end up showing those two elements must be equal to each other. Proof. Assume that the solution to the equation A plus x equals 0 in R has two solutions. Let U and V be in R such that U and V are solutions to the equation A plus x equals 0. This implies that A plus U is equal to 0 and A plus V is equal to 0. So as V is equal to 0 in R plus V. This is by the additive identity. We're adding 0 to the element V. Then V is equal to A plus U plus V by substituting in for 0 in R, A plus U. Hence, V is equal to U plus A plus V by associativity and commutativity property. I dropped the parentheses, associativity property, and I rewrote A plus U as U plus A. That's the commutative property. Thus, V is equal to U plus A plus V by the associativity property. I put the parentheses around the A plus V. This gives us V equals U plus 0 by substitution. Remember, A plus V was also equal to 0, so I substituted. Hence, V is equal to U, and therefore the solution to the equation A plus x equals 0 in R is unique. Therefore, as A plus x equals 0 in R has a unique solution, we will denote this negative A as this unique solution. So we're not going to talk about in the future the equation A plus x equals 0 in R has a solution, part of our definition of a ring. We're going to look at it as a negative A. For any A, there's a negative A. So for our definition of a ring R, if A is an element in R, then negative A is an element in R. And we're going to use this idea of a negative element and also introduce the concept of subtraction in ring structure.